One way to analyze the appropriateness of a linear model is to look at its scatter plot compared with the linear regression, just to be sure that that form is consistent. And yes, in this case, this line seems to match the direction of those points in that scatter plot. Another way to determine if the line is a good fit is to look at its R value. So over here, Desmos provides us two values, R squared and R, but really we only focus on R values in Math 1. So here, because this R value of 0.979 is very close to positive 1, very close to positive 1, then we could say that this line it has a strong positive association, a strong positive association because R is very close to positive 1. For the sake of just playing around with this and showing an example with an obvious outlier, I'm going to change my data set. And this very last point, instead of being 58, I'm going to make that 18. So notice where this point now appears down here at the bottom, towards the bottom of my window. Also notice in red, you can see how the linear model had to change because of that outlier. And notice one more thing. Look what else it changes is the R value. Now the R value is 0.5892, which we could say is a moderate positive association because it's somewhere in about halfway in between 0 and positive 1.